Oh, yeah, yeah. I think I know what time it is. It's time to get started.
Welcome to
what?
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
What'd you say?
I said, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Leaving Wayne Dum
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I said, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Niemand Wayne Dum Niemand Wayne Dum Niemand Wayne Dum
Thank you, and good night.
Good night. We love you. Gizakai. Giga Wabamin, Minawa.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. How you doing, baby?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Not too bad. Ladies and gentlemen, Ikadon BOOZHOO, Ando Natasha. Say hello to Natasha.
Hey, everybody. BOOZHOO Gakina. Mino Giga Shave Gakina Awia. Hello, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Oh yeah, there you go. Good morning, everyone. Mino Giga Jeb Gakina Awia.
Good morning, everybody.
Oh wow, look who's over here, sweetie.
Is it the Rockstar cartoonist?
Sure is. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. Ikadon BOOZHOO Niji. Say hello, buddy. Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Mino Giga Jeb Gakina Awia. Good morning, everyone. And today is a Ojibwe phrase of the day. Mino Giga Jeb Gakina Awia. Good morning, everybody. And especially John Redcorn.
Hey, BOOZHOO, John.
What's going on, John? Hey, Grassroots Indians is here too, sweetie.
No way, BOOZHOO, Grassroots Indians.
BOOZHOO. Okay, hey, Mr. Corn, Mr. Corny. That's what I call John Redcorn.
Little corny John.
Yep. John likes the dad humor. But today, we need to discuss something very, very important, sweetie.
Oh, today is Kiss conversation.
Yeah. Thursdays, as longtime viewers of the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast will recall, are always Kiss talk.
No, it's not.
From now on it is, though. Today I would like to have a conversation. Gaganouge.
Gaganouge.
I would like a gaganouge about Ojim, about Kiss. Today's show is called Will Johnny Depp replace Paul Stanley?
I think it's Will Johnny Depp join Kiss.
Oh yeah, will Johnny Depp join Kiss? It's been a lot of Kiss fans. There's a buzz in the Kiss army. Everyone's talking about maybe it's time. Paul Stanley is going to hang up the wig and retire. And we know who can replace him. Now, some people say, well, Paul Stanley has a son who plays guitar. And Gene Simmons has a son who's he's either a guitar player or a bass player. Couldn't their sons put on the makeup of their dads and the band could go forward? Yeah. I don't think anyone's interested in that. Nobody wants to see, the children of rock stars carry on the mantle. So a lot of people are wondering, all right, can Johnny Depp fill those enormous platform boots?
He looks great.
Yeah. Naturally he would put on the crow makeup. In the Ojibwe language, we call crow. Let's see. Hold on. How come that's not coming up, sweetie?
You gotta pull up the text way high.
Oh, got it. Undig is the crow, right? And, that could be the new character. Because I don't think they should just let, like they did with Ace and Peter, just let other guys wear the makeup.
Yeah, that's so stupid.
Yeah. They're basically in Halloween costumes. They need to have new characters with new members. So Johnny Depp joins. He's the crow, the Undig. And he would replace Onung Abanujin, the Star Child, or Paul Stanley, right? A lot of people want to see this happen. I don't think it's just us, sweetie.
Is anybody else thinking about this?
I don't know. I'm sure Johnny Depp would love to be in Kiss. But then you wonder, like who else, who's next? Now, Tommy Thayer replaced Ace Frehley. And that's kind of a cool story because he actually was an Ace Frehley. He was in a Kiss cover band or whatever. He played Ace Frehley. And then he became the real Ace Frehley.
I know, that's so messed up.
Yeah, but what if the ghost of Brandon Lee, could he be the new lead guitar player?
I didn't know the ghost of Brandon Lee played guitar.
I'm not sure, but maybe. So you got your ghost of Brandon Lee playing lead guitar. And then, of course, the Catman, we can replace him with the Joker.
Yeah.
And finally, Gene Simmons, he's about to have a heart attack. Ronald McDonald. There's the new Kiss. Hey, sweetie.
Get out of here.
Yep. I want to see Brandon Lee, Johnny Depp, Ronald McDonald, and the Joker. Watch for it, kids. And remember, you saw it here first on BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture and Kiss. Ojib, Kiss. Gaganuj is a conversation. Sometimes Indian people will get together and have a Gaganuj de Tibisaid.
A conversation circle?
Yep. We like to sit in circles and talk. In the tradition of the Anishinaabe, Paul.
Hey, Nanaboozhoo, how you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. What do you think? Can Johnny Depp fill your boots?
Nobody can fill the Star Child boots.
Nah, probably not. But, what do you think, Jim Dunn?
Oh, is Jim here?
Yeah, he sure is.
Oh, BOOZHOO, Jim Dunn.
How's it going? Mino Giga Jabe. Good morning. I don't know. Jim likes the original 4 lineup.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't think Jim's interested in going to see Kiss where half the band is somebody else playing the part of Ace Frehley and Peter Criss. I mean, it's absurd.
I noticed he didn't bring back the ghost of Eric Carr.
Yeah. Or the ghost of Mark St. John.
Nobody talks about Mark St. John.
I know, that poor guy. Kiss actually had another guitar player called Mark St. John who died. And they don't even mention him in like documentaries and stuff. So yeah, I don't think Paul and Gene are the best friends you can have in a band. And this has been your Kiss Conversation on this Thursday. Neo Geisha Good. And on the fourth day, God created rock and roll. Rock and roll. And on Neo Geisha Good, God created Thursday. Neo Geisha Good. Thursday. What do you think, sweetie?
What do I think about what?
About Thursdays.
I don't know. Nothing.
But on the Thursday, la-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dum. Okay. Anyway, these are just some of my thoughts. These are the things I sit and think about, sweetie.
Like, what would it be like if Johnny Depp was in Kiss?
Yeah. You know. I mean, you guys can think about the pandemic or whatever. Oh, a war in Ukraine. Oh, no. Oh, I sure hope that little short guy in the t-shirt doesn't get bombed. No, I don't care. The things I care about, what's going to happen to Kiss when Paul Stanley retires? This is important. Oh, no, global warming. The icebergs are going to melt. What is an iceberg? What is an iceberg, sweetie?
We talked about this before. I think icebergs are fake.
All right. You guys want to go down the rabbit hole? Are icebergs fake? Let's take a look at a picture of an iceberg. Here we go. I think I'm supposed to talk about this because this picture just came right up. And on the 8th day. But now, which one was it? Was it...
You said you pulled it right up.
Yeah, but now I can't remember which one it was. Was it Ronald McDonald? Yeah, here we go. Icebergs. This is what took down Titanic, sweetie.
That's what they say.
Hey, let's get in a big old boat with Johnny Depp. Not Johnny Depp, the other guy. Leonardo DiCaprio. We're going to go on a big boat ride. Oops. Bonk. Oh no, our big boat. We're going to sink because we hit an iceberg in the middle of the ocean. And you can know, this must be down in Antarctica, sweetie.
Yeah, there's penguins.
Yep, the little penguins. But I don't even know if this is a conspiracy theory. Or if it's just me not understanding reality, but why don't icebergs just melt? I mean, if you stuck an ice cube into, obviously it's not that cold or the ocean would freeze. Right?
Well, it's salt water.
Yeah, okay. What, salt water won't freeze?
I don't know.
I think it does. But could it be this is just some styrofoam that they threw into a lake and photoshopped some penguins? What is an iceberg? You never see these things like in Lake Superior or anything.
Yeah. Why wouldn't it just melt?
Yeah. How come nobody questions the existence of icebergs? People see pictures of men landing on the moon and they go, oh, that's so fake. Then they see a picture of an iceberg and they go, yep, there's your proof. What is up with icebergs? Hey, Heavy Flow's here, sweetie.
No way!
Where's you, Heavy Flow? Heavy Flow says, ice been melting. Glaciers are made in the north. Follow the money on that one. And Lake Superior isn't freezing. Yeah, Lake Superior freezes. Doesn't it?
We lived in Duluth for 4 years. Didn't it freeze?
Now that I say that, I can't remember if it freezes or not. Yeah, it's got to freeze. I mean, it gets to be 50 below up here. But, and not just glaciers, but icebergs. A mountain of ice floating around in the ocean that never melts. What? Heavy Flow says it's not constantly sub-zero like a glacier condition. Okay. Or, I mean, why would they fake it? Well, they fake everything about Antarctica. Yeah, Antarctica's fake. That's not, because we're not on a spinning ball. This is an ice ridge around the whole thing, apparently, but I don't know. I can't prove that either. So many questions. I don't know. Why would they fake icebergs? Oh, it's the tip of the iceberg. But why do they lie about anything? Why do they say the center of the earth is molten lava when they have no way of knowing that? Yeah, I know, huh? You ever see that like in a science book? They go, oh, what does the earth look like? Well, there's the outer crust and then the inner crust. What? How do you have an inner crust? That's the inside of a pie. Yeah. Outer crust, inner crust, the outer mantle, inner mantle, and then way in the middle, oh, molten rock. Whatever. And then you go, well, how far down have we dug? Yeah, the deepest hole we ever dug was 8 miles. And so on the model of their dumb ball earth, 8 miles would be like putting a little thumbtack into a coconut and saying that you know what's on the inside of that coconut because you put a thumbtack in the outside. I know, it's so stupid. Are you not a climate, are you a science denier? I deny science. Denied. Come and get me. Of course, you can see what happens to truthers. Just look at that old Alex Jones. He's not a truther. He's what do they call that? Opposition? Yeah, he's a fake truther. Controlled opposition. Yeah. You guys been following that at all? Alex Jones is on trial for saying that Sandy Hook wasn't real. Allegedly. I'm afraid to even say the words because YouTube will strike me down. But apparently this is in the news where he goes to trial. I'm not sure what crime you commit by questioning the news, but he's controlled opposition because now it sends a message to everybody else who questions the news that, hey, you don't want to end up like Alex Jones, do you? He's getting sued for $1.5 million for questioning whether or not one kid could have 100% perfect kill rate of, how many kids are supposed to have been? Like 21 or something? Yeah, I don't even remember, 19. Yeah. At a school that didn't have any internet or any records of existing. Yeah. But anyway, so can't talk about that on controlled media. What else? Do you want to take a call? Oh, sure, I'll take a call. What line? On line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. Hello, NANABOOZHOO. It's me, Johnny Depp. Oh, hey, Johnny Depp. How you doing? I would appreciate it if you would use my Anishinaabe name, Tonto. Oh, you bet. How's it going, Tonto? I'm doing quite well. Say, have you heard whether or not Kiss is going to invite me to play with their band? I think the rumor is they're going to ask you to join the band. That would be quite an opportunity for my career. I could rock and roll all night and party every day. I get the impression you party every day anyway. Yeah, that's probably true. I like to drink wine. If I join Kiss, will I have to drink cold gin? Yep, I think that's kind of part of the contract to drink cold gin if your heater is broke. Yeah, it's a good song, Cold Gin. Yep. But yeah, I don't know. These are just some of the rumors I'm starting. What do you think? You want to join Kiss? Yeah, I don't see why not. I'm going to have to break up the Hollywood Vampires. Oh, that's right. You're already in a band, aren't you? Hollywood Vampires? Yeah, I play with a couple of old geezers. Like Alice Cooper and that guy from the Guns N' Roses. Yeah, they're all a bunch of celebrities. You know who I think would make a great, if they ever do a Alice Cooper biography movie? Yeah. The guy who plays Steve Carell. Steve Carell? Yeah, if you ever noticed, I should have pulled up his picture. Steve Carell looks just like a young or a middle-aged Alice Cooper. He could really, he'd have to lose a little weight, but he could play Alice Cooper. Yeah, Alice, I'm surprised they haven't done a movie about Alice Cooper yet. Yeah, I mean, they've done one about there's a new Bowie biography coming out. Yeah, I saw that. I probably won't watch it. I probably won't either. I'm kind of sick of these. Ooh, here's a movie about insert celebrity from the past. Queen, Motley Crue, I guess Ozzy's coming out, Elton John, Elvis, and again and again. And how many Elvis movies are they going to make? But, you know, what else? Anyway, you going to get married again anytime soon, Johnny? No, I don't think so. I think 3 is enough for this cowboy. For this cowboy? I mean Indian. Yeah. Hey, Nanaboozhoo. Yes, sir? I was wondering if I could learn some Ojibwe. Oh, sure. How would you like to learn how to say, how are you? Anin, Ayan. Johnny Depp. Oh, am I? Oh, I'm pretty good. I have millions of dollars. Yeah, that's right. So you can say, Namino Eya. Namino Eya. I'm good. Yeah, I'm especially good now that I got my sheets laundered. Got the smell of amber turd out of them. Yeah. It's kind of hoping we wouldn't bring that up again, but... Have you heard from your ex? No. She's been leaving me alone. Every time I talk to her, it costs her millions of dollars. Yeah, I suppose so. So anyway, there's your Ojibwe. Anin, Eji, Eyayan. Anin, Eji, Eyayan. How are you? And to say I'm good, I would say, Namino Eya. Yep, Namino Eya. All right. Well, miigwech, Nanaboozhoo. I appreciate you teaching me your language. Okay. Listen, I better let you go. How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe? Well, we don't really say goodbye, Johnny Depp. Again, you can call me Tonto. All right. Tonto, we say, I will see you again. Gigawaba min. Minowa. O gigawaba min. Minowa, Nanaboozhoo. You too, Tonto. Wow, Johnny Depp. Yep. He watches the show all the time. Yeah, he must really like Ojibwe language. Yeah, either that or being in Kiss. Oh, wow, here comes Sherrealist. BOOZHOO, Sherrealist. Mino Giga Shabe. And the Mikawadzi BOOZHOO crew. And the beautiful BOOZHOO crew. Oh, the lovely BOOZHOO crew. I hear they're good looking. That's what I heard too. That's another rumor I'm starting. BOOZHOO crew is just hot. Grape, Majumin, or Jumin. Juminaboo wine. Majumin is grape. I always think of wine, the Ojibwe word for wine, being like, how do you say smiles? Jumi, Jumina?
Let me think. Mean Granny. Oh, remember we did that one show?
Yeah. The word smile sounds a lot like majumin. Jumin. But it's like wine is like the drink that makes you smile when you sip it. Is one way you could translate wine. In dinner way, my gonna doog. Boozhoo nij, in dinner way, my gonna doog. Hello, all my relations. Thank you for coming to our show this morning. It's nice to hang out with the BOOZHOO crew. Have a cup of coffee while you're at it. Makere mush, kikiwabu.
You said it wrong again.
Oh, did I?
Yeah, you say it like I say it. Makere mush, kikiwabu.
Oh, right. It's not makere mush. It's not black mush. It's makere, black mush kiki, medicine, wabu, water. Black medicine water. That was our first show, huh, sweetie?
Yep.
Black medicine water. Or you can get some anibishabu. Have a little hot tea in the morning. Do you like tea in the morning?
No, I can't really do tea in the morning. I need my caffeine.
Yeah, I gotta have caffeine. Keeps me regular. I'm such a robot in the morning. I do the exact same thing. I'm a creature of habit. And having a cat doesn't help. Cats are creatures of habits too. Bagheera, he just knows when it's bedtime.
Yeah, huh?
He knows when certain things happen, and he knows when he eats. Which is too often, but if I don't get out there and feed him right at around 7, even though he ate again, at like 5 or whatever, he'll start crying at the door until I feed him, even just a little bit. But anyway. Hey, the Soul Man's here, sweetie.
Brian the Souls?
Yeah, he is.
Me no giga shave, Soul Man.
What's up, Brian? Welcome back to the show. Brian says, I ran out of coffee yesterday, and I haven't run to the store yet. What? Brian he can just run out of coffee and start his day without coffee.
That's insane.
Remember one time the power went off? We had a big storm in Bemidji. We didn't have power. And I woke up, and I was like, oh, crap, I can't make any coffee. And the whole power was out all over the town. But the one place they had like emergency generators was in an emergency room at the hospital.
Yeah.
So I got on my bike, and I rode to the hospital and had some coffee there. I was like, hey, it's an emergency. I didn't have any coffee. But then it was stupid because by the time I got home,
yeah,
the gas still worked. I could have just made instant coffee. Makere mashkike wabo. Black medicine water. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. We could talk about Paul Stanley's Folgers commercial.
We could.
I can't decide if I get in trouble for showing that or not.
We always get an email, but I never read it.
This is a copyrighted commercial that Paul Stanley wrote for Folgers. And I get the impression that Folgers never even asked him to do it.
Yeah, like he just did it and then shopped it to him.
Yeah. Let's see. Let me see if I can find it. I mean, it's so stupid. But, we get so few viewers anyway, sweetie. I don't think it even matters. But here's a copyrighted, and we don't have permission. But I guess this is fair use. I'm making, this is for educational purposes. This is Paul Stanley's Folger commercial.
Time to reach, go for it all. Folger stirs inside of me,
And I know what I can be.
No.
limit is the sky.
Hey world, watch me fly. Now watch this. He disappears. Oh crap. We edited that weird. But in the end, my favorite part, he pulls up his hand and he just disappears into nothing. He's got superpowers. Yeah. Because Folgers, it's the best part of waking up is makare mashkiki wabu in your cup. There's Folgers in your cup. Although I've said it before, sweetie, we still haven't done it. Here's $1 million idea, Anashinabes. Anashinabeg. Get some Folgers. You can get the canned stuff. I don't care. Peel off that label. Go down to Arrow Printing or somewhere. Ink Spot Press. Ask them to print up a bunch of stickers. You can measure out how big it needs to be from the old Folgers label. And just write the words Makare Mashkiki Wabu. And then in parentheses underneath it, black medicine water, big letters, coffee, in Ojibwe or something. And resell it at powwows. Real, authentic Native American coffee. You call it corn, we call it maize. You call it coffee, we call it black medicine water. Why am I telling them we got to do that? We could brand it as the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO show, black medicine water coffee, and sell it to our viewers at jacked up prices so we make a profit. Hey, the new cups are in. Yeah, they are, huh? Of course, I'm not using them because I don't want to get the new coffee cup dirty. We're going to do a evening show on Facebook one of these nights soon. We got a new coffee mug, and I guess I'll do a Patreon. We have to update our Patreon page. Or how's this going to work, sweetie? I want to give out cups, but we got to get some Junia from them. Yeah. Oh. We're going to do a live stream Facebook evening show in the next couple of days. And we're going to maybe we'll just do a membership drive or something. I was going to, try to get more patron people to sign up. But if they sign up on Patreon, then, yeah, we have to update the pictures so they don't. I was going to give out Michael cartoons, but nobody wants that. We need to give out coffee mugs and books. Anyway, stay tuned for an evening show on Facebook in the next couple of nights. And we're going to, what's that called when you bring out a new product? We're going to have the grand opening. No, that's when you open a new store. We're going to debut our, I don't know. Well, we have a new coffee cup. We're going to be giving away. We're going to be selling, I guess. Oh, you know what it could be? What's that? It could be our GoFundMe campaign. There you go. All right. Anyway. What else should I talk about, sweetie? You want to talk about the song? I could. You and Emily recorded? Yeah. All right. Here's a song called, what is it? Dreaming My Dreams? Dreaming My Dreams. Dreaming My Dreams with Natasha and Emily. And I don't know what's the story behind this. I don't know. Miigwech, how do you say for listening? Gabizandawieg. Miigwech gabizandawieg. Thank you for listening. That's really good. Makare. Moshkiki wabu. Should we make that the Ojibwe word of the day?
Yeah, sure.
You said to me today.
You ready to get started?
Yeah, if you are.
And everywhere
And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
And there's no other place that I lay down my face, dreaming my dreams for you. It's out there, it's out there, it's out there, wanting out there. It's out there, it's out there, it's out there, wanting out I'll be dreaming my dreams with you. I'll be dreaming my dreams with you. And there's no other place that I lay down my face, dreaming my dreams with you.
I am Nanaboozhoo over here.
What?
Looking just cute.
Ah, get out of here.
The lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon boozhoo ni weenie mushay. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Hello, my sweetheart. Nah. Oh, wow. Let me just check something really quick here. I'll be dreaming my dreams. I really hope the first half of this show wasn't completely weird. And there's no better place where I'd lay down my face. BOOZHOO! Gakina Awia! Hello, everybody! Natasha Nindijan Cause. There's no way we had that second camera on, right?
No, we would have noticed.
We keep getting fancier around here. We're just asking for trouble. Anyway, how you doing? Anin Aji Ayan. How are you? It's so good to be back. I'll be dreaming my dreams with you, sweetie.
What are some dreams that you have?
Oh, you know, I dream of I don't know what I dream of. I can't remember my dreams these days. I'll be dreaming my dream. Oh, I did dream of a famous person the other night.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they were body shaming me.
You're kidding.
Yeah. It was weird. Anin, Ayan, how are you? Have you checked in with yourself? Have you done an inventory? Have you gone through and said, well, how's my physical body? How's my mental body? How's my spiritual life? How are my emotions? You know, gotta check. Gotta be in touch with yourself. So what else did we talk about today? Oh, you know what we never translated?
What's that?
Our intro song?
You mean Namino or whatever?
Yeah. Well, what is a blues riff? Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Neeman Waindum, G-A-I-N, Omanungum. Neeman Waindum, G-A-I-N, Omanungum. Neeman Waindum, I'm happy, G-A-I-N, to be Oma here, Nungum. Today, I'm happy. That's how I'll tell you how I'm doing. I'm doing great. Do 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 do. Oh God! Hey, I should put out some tobacco though, huh?
Do you want me to teleport you outside?
Could you? Would you? In a boat, not in a boat, not with a goat, not in a soap. Do 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 do. Will you teleport me, Sam? I am.
Sure.
I'm gonna go outside.
1 to teleport.
Make it so. Number 1. That's not gonna work. Sweetie,
Yeah.
would you be so kind as to teleport little old me right outside?
You got it. 1 to teleport.
Make it so. Number 1. No. You teleported me exactly 3 feet.
Yeah, I forgot that we don't have the coordinates anymore.
Did we screw that up too?
Yep.
Okay, great. Now I'm over here. Well, what can I do here? Really, we don't have an outdoor area?
Nope.
Can you teleport me by kiss?
Nah, I don't think that'll look very good.
Okay. How about...
You want to take a call?
Sure, I'll take a call. On line 2?
Line 2.
Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast with limited teleportation technology. You're on the air. Hee hee, Shamoa. Hey, Natasha, it's me, Michael Jackson. Well, hi, Michael. How's it going? Oh, I'm doing pretty good. I want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. Hee hee, Shamoa. Okay, hang on. All right, today is Thursday. It's Neo Geisha Good. We call Thursday the 4th day. First day would be Beijigo. Beijigo. Yeah. And then there's Nijo. It'd be the 2nd. Nijo, 2nd. What is 3rd?
Beijing Nij Nisway. Niswayo.
Niswayo? Are you sure?
Nope.
Is 3rd? Niswayo. And then 4th would be Neo. Neo. Then what's 5th? Nano. That 4th, we had an O. Anyway, I'm sure it's more than what you wanted to know. Neo Giza Good, the 4th day. Hee hee, Shamoa. Okay. How's everything else in your life? Well, sadly, I don't have a life because I'm dead. Shamoa. Yeah, huh? I always thought you just faked your death. No, that's ignorant. Okay. So, yeah, you didn't fake your death, but what's heaven like? You tell me. Okay. What else can I ask? You got any questions for the King of Pop, sweetie?
Hey, Michael.
Hi, Nabuzu.
Let's see. Questions for the King of Pop. What's your favorite song?
My favorite song is Tell 'Em That It's Human Nature. Human nature. If they say why, tell 'em that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way? Hee hee, Shamoa. Yeah, what was that supposed to mean? If they say why does he do me that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Yeah, what are you talking about there? Never mind, it's a secret. Hee hee, Shamoa. All right, listen, Michael. this is going nowhere. I gotta go, okay, but I will see you again. Gigawabamin min minawa. Gigawabamin min minawa, Natasha. Hee shamoa. Sometimes you just gotta get out while you're ahead.
Yeah, huh?
So, how are you guys doing? Brian Soul says, all my dreams have been about drinking. God give me the serenity. I hear you, brother. Brian quit drinking this year, and he's been a real Ogichida. He's a real warrior about it. But that doesn't mean that demons aren't trying to win you back. Because that's what it is, isn't it?
What, alcoholism?
Yeah, isn't that basically a bad spirit?
I always think so. I think it's just an evil spirit. Addictions are like literally an evil spirit has somehow gotten into you.
Yeah. And I think that's why they call it spirits. So, yeah. And then if you dare to leave, they'll come into your subconscious and try to coax you back. That's a tough one. The Gawi Dukawishin. Please help me. Get your money do. I'm feeling thirsty. How long has it been since we've had a drink?
You know, I've lost track. I had a couple of sips of that beer last summer.
Yeah, that was stupid.
Yeah, that was dumb. But before that, when I actually quit drinking, it's got to be going on at least 5 years now.
Yeah. You can tell you really beat it if you stop paying attention. It's like, when smokers try to quit and they're like, hey, I haven't had a cigarette in 14 hours, 5 minutes, 38, 39 seconds, 40 seconds. You're like, good luck, buddy. But, yeah. Tell me, how's it gonna be if I can't drink anymore? How's it gonna be? I remember when I was still drinking, I couldn't picture. I thought my life would be so boring. It's like, well, everything I like doing, I had to go get some beer. Hey, let's go drive to the cities. Good idea. Let's first get some beer for the ride. Yeah. Gotta drink and drive. Hey, let's go out to dinner. Great. We can have drinks first. Hey, let's go out to this bonfire. Awesome. Let's get some beer for the bonfire. Hey, let's do anything with our friends. Yes. I can't face my friends sober, so let's booze it up. But I really don't miss it.
Don't you?
I mean, sometimes I get a craving. Because I'll get a memory in my mind of like having a cold beer after I mowed the lawn or something. But even though we lost most of our friends,
Yeah.
I don't miss the hangovers. I don't miss all the dumb things you do and say when you're drunk.
Yeah, I don't miss any of that. Do you miss the bars?
I guess not. I'm surprised because I used to really like bars, especially being in like a band, But now I can't really. I don't remember why I liked being in bars. It's like, you have to be drunk not to hate being in a bar. But tell me, how's it gonna be? Oh, you know what we should have played today, sweetie?
It ain't the whiskey.
Exactly. Last night I found an old video of us singing the song. It ain't the whiskey. It ain't the cigarettes. It ain't the stuff I smoke. Hey, how those lyrics go? Stood there in the back of the church of a broken people, listening to the walking wounded tell the story. Listening to the walking wounded tell their story.
Yeah, who sang that?
I don't know. It's one of those country guys. I spent most of my life being totally close-minded to country music. And then after I quit drinking, I discovered country lyrics are like, man, these guys are good. But there's a country song called It Ain't the Whiskey. And it's all about a guy who goes to an AA meeting. And he goes in there, he's like, I went to the church of the broken people, listening to the walking wounded tell their story. My turn came, I told them my name, and I said, this ain't my first time. And then a man started talking about the devil and how the bottle was ruining my life. Well, with last night on my breath, he still had booze on his breath, I stood up and said, it ain't the whiskey, and it ain't the cigarettes, and it ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard times, and it ain't the all nights. It ain't that easy. It ain't the whiskey. That's killing me. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard times. When it says, there's something behind the whiskey. It's his broken heart. He can't forget about this girl. So what do you got for this empty spot inside of me? A deep dark hole where love used to be. It's always about lost love in country music.
Yeah, no kidding.
A deep dark hole where love used to be. Before she ran out and into the arms of somebody new. Y'all sit in this room like you got some kind of remedy. Well, I hear what you're telling me, but I got all the proof I need. I think he's talking about proof like in whiskey. It's like, oh, this is 90 proof or whatever. I got all the proof I need. It ain't the whiskey. It ain't the cigarettes. It ain't the stuff I smoke. It's all these things I can't forget. It ain't the hard times. It ain't the all night. It ain't that easy. It ain't the whiskey. That's killing me. That's killing me. Man, should I just... No, I can't find it now. We'll play it tomorrow.
Okay.
Tune in tomorrow for It Ain't the Whiskey. I don't know. Whiskey, drinking is like love. It's both the disease and the cure. It's like Homer Simpson said, alcohol, the cause of and solution to all your problems.
Yeah. But how is that like love?
Well, love, like when you fall in love with somebody, but they don't love you back,
Yeah.
and you're just burning with this, oh, I love them. It's like a disease. You got the fever, and the only thing that can cure you of this love sickness is, in fact, the thing that's making you sick is love. It's a vicious circle. Love is booze. Nah. It's probably been a while since we've done a proper talk about booze and alcohol show.
Yeah, one of our more popular live streams
Yeah.
was when the Ojibwe word of the day was how to say let's get drunk in Ojibwe.
Yeah, I know. That's so bad. Hey, Cousin Missy's here, sweetie.
Hey, Cousin Miss.
Bonjour, Missy. Missy says, well, I'm late to the party. Yeah. We're talking about boozing and losing and quitting. I don't know. It ain't easy. It ain't easy being cheesy. It ain't the whiskey. We got any other calls, sweetie? Nope. What about... Should I talk about your books, Michael?
Yeah, would you mind?
No. Oh, you know what I could talk about? Right here. Check it out. Oh, she's just adorable. I just could drink her up. The new BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO mugs are in. Of course, the graphics are all messed up because we're on a green screen. But this is the thing we're going to be talking about during our... Missy, you probably missed it. We're going to do a live stream on Facebook, an evening show, one of these days soon. And for everybody who... I haven't figured out what, but we're going to be giving away cups. And these cups are really expensive to ship. Okay, here's the anti-commercial. New to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO merchandise, expensive coffee cups. Please don't order these. This is $19.30 after shipping and handling. But if you'd like to get a free BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO coffee cup, tune into our live stream Facebook show coming up to be announced in the future, in the near future. Hey, Missy, can we do during a live stream? Is there any way to do a Zoom call? It'd be fun to get you on as like a guest call in, but I don't know how to do that. FaceTime probably doesn't. Anyway, so we're gonna come in. We'll be giving out cups. Hoka hey and Mindy Moya Redbird. Mino Kika Shay Mindy Moya. Sunny day, la 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 la, okay. Anyway, so I was going to talk about Michael's books. Michael Lyons has books for sale on Amazon.com. Books like... Oh, I can't find any of the stuff we need. Oh, here we go. You can support us on PayPal, Patreon, or GoFundMe. You can order Ojibwe language books and comics by Michael Lyons at Amazon.com. Books like, let's say, Grief Relief. Grief Relief is a comic book that talks about the stages of grief. Little Shagog, the skunk, he's lost his grandma. And Stephen scans the Earth's coordinates, or does something with a scan. And he can hear... Anyway, Stephen comes and visits him and talks about grief. Grief Relief by Michael Lyons, written and illustrated by Michael Lyons, and available at Amazon.com. For everyone who orders a copy of Grief Relief, you also receive a complimentary BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO coffee cup.
No, they don't.
They don't?
No, quit giving away cups.
But it's got my picture.
You do not get a free cup if you order the book.
Okay, you don't get a cup. Cheapskate.
I know.
The dream police, they live inside of my head. Grief relief, it lives inside of my head. The dream police, they come and do me sleep, oh no.
You know the talk is cheap, and those rumors ain't nice.
And when I fall asleep, I don't think I'll survive the night. Because they're waiting for me. I gotta get out of here. I got to go pee. Niwi saga I gotta go to the potty. Niwi saga That should have been our word of the day.
That was like our second show.
That's right. I saw that one. Anyway, you can support the show. And otherwise, you got anything else you want to add?
No, that's pretty good.
What about you, Rockstar?
Do you want to send them out with a kiss tune?
I suppose we could. Hey everyone, just want to say, miigwech kabisandawi egg. Thank you for listening. Dash miigwech ganawabi egg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Now I can't find our thing. We gotta clean up our table. And thank you for watching. Here we go. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO by Michael Lyons. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much.
I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Hawa.
Operator by Jim Croce. And to close out the show, what do you think, Natasha? Should we do another kiss song?
Well, yeah, gotta do a kiss tune.
All right. Well, why not?
Now you're talking.
All right.
Woo! Yeah,
Thanks for
yeah.
watching, everybody. Back tomorrow.
And you show us everything you've got. You keep on dancing and the room gets hot. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party just begun, we'll let you in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. What? You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
You keep on saying you'll be mine for a while. Looking fancy and I like your style. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy. Oh, almost. Take it away, Benjamin. You say you wanna go for a spin. The party just begun, let me in. You drive us wild, we'll drive you crazy.
You keep on shouting, you keep on shouting.
Huh?
What? No. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day. I wanna rock and roll all night and party every day.
Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Yeah. You have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
You sure have.
Podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is the whole gang.
BOOZHOO!
Okay. We'll see you again. Giga Waba Min. Minowa. Hoa.
Oh,
Hoa.
oh, hikes. That was great.
That was really fun.
Bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Click the link.
Oh, jeez.
All right.